Happy Thursday, engineers. So, this is kind of a Thursday Friday for us since we have a series of 2 long block days. So this is your last day in Pre-Engineering 2 class, boo. But it's the last day that I won't be in here with you, so I'm looking forward to next week when we get back together. You've accomplished some really good work earlier in the week, and so I thought it would be great to do an Inspiration Videos Day. So you can see here on our weekly calendar, today on our long blocks day, we've got the Scientists and Engineers Inspiration Set 2. So I'm going to pop over to Schoology and show you where that's located. If you look on the sidebar, Assignments for Thursday, it says PrE2, Scientists and Engineers, Video Set 2. So if we open that up, you can see there are 2 parts to it. So there's a document that have all the links so that you can cut and paste those into your web browser on your iPad. And then there is and I'll show you that. They need to be pasted into the internet browser if they don't automatically open, but I have checked these on my iPad and I know that they work. Okay, so there are 4 different scientists, and this is kind of a fun set. They do have some interesting messages with them, but they should look like this. So you've got Rudy's videos, you have got, I think this is Chandra's videos, Tanzim videos, and then you've got Hugh's videos, and then you got Mayim's videos. And I may have shown you bits and pieces of some of these before, but this is really a terrific set to see in its entirety, so I would like you to do that today. And then there is a reflection set just to make sure that you pick up the points that I'm looking for you to see. So there are just 2 questions, I think, about each scientist. So there's Rudy's questions and Tanzim's questions and Hugh's and Mayim's. So you'll need to complete these as you go through the videos in class and then turn them in on Schoology for a grade today. I do recommend, rather than having everybody staring down at their iPads, whoever is airplaying right now, and thank you for doing that, I recommend that you just go ahead and airplay through those 4 videos for the class. I don't mind if there's a little collaboration discussion on what those questions mean or what you found in the videos, but every person needs to individually do the work of completing the answers on their own answer sheets and turning those into Schoology. Okay, have a good time, enjoy the videos, have a great weekend, and I'll be back with you on Monday.